So this is a huge Club Factory haul. इस साइट के बारे में इतने सवाल हैं. Is it a good site? Is it a fraud site? Quality कैसी है? Some of the clothes are good, some of the clothes are bad. Well, we'll see the answer to some of these and more in just a moment. इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े, definitely subscribe. Just press that red little button down below and also follow me on my social media if you like. So now let's get straight into the haul. अब I have ordered a lot of stuff from this site. मैंने recently 7,000 rupees की shopping कर डाली यहाँ पे because I was desperately in need for some leggings for my gym. So if you know how brands they are like really expensive. One branded legging from Puma or anything, any good brand costs like 3-4,000. उससे कम कुछ भी नहीं. Okay, maybe 2. That's the lowest they go. So I was in need. This is mostly a legging haul. But I have already placed an order for some dresses, etc., which I'll be getting soon, and we'll definitely check that out as well. तब तक के लिए I'll just give you a lowdown on the site, the quality, and a lot of people have this question कि क्या ये site जो है ये सच्ची site है? Like, is it आपको कुछ दिखाते हैं and they send you something else? Pictures कुछ और होते हैं, चीज़ कोई और आती है. Well, let me tell you, मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. I exactly got what I ordered for. I am so thankful because मैं खुद बहुत ज़्यादा डर रही थी. After I read all the reviews, I thought मेरा पैसा गया. I don't know what. All the stuff, everything जो कुछ भी मैंने मंगाया, it is exactly the way it looks on the pictures. So I'll show you some of those, and I'm going to give you some more tips. Again, that's going to be a separate video because otherwise this video will be like 30 minutes long, and आप सब सो जाओगे. So these are the shoes I had ordered, and I am so happy to say that these are exactly the same shoe which I have received. I had ordered the pink pair. They've got some colors like purples and I think orange and pink. So I had gone for the pink, opted for the pink, and I am like really happy to say this is exactly the shoe that I have got. Check this out here. There's no difference. I'm like really happy. I was so worried I'll get something else, but thankfully it's the same shoe. So these are these guys here. This is also surprisingly good quality. Surprisingly good quality. Just see this one is for 925 now, but मुझे ये मिला था for 500 something. I'm wearing this to show you now, and it's exactly as shown, and the quality is really nice, really nice. So I'm wearing this one here. I'm wearing this right now. Oops. Okay, so this is another pair of leggings I had ordered, and I am so happy to say this is exactly the pair I got. Okay, so this is what my order looks like, and this is what the photograph looks like. So I am like really happy to say that they're sending you pretty much, let me just get this a bit closer. So it's pretty much close to what I have ordered, and I've got the same damn legging, thank God for that. Now, having said that, I will say the quality is not the best. It's like, it's a little bit thin, it's like not very thick fabric, but it's fantastic nevertheless. It's for 403 bucks. Don't forget that. I have paid 2,000 and 3,000 bucks for Adidas leggings, which are thin. I still have that post up on my Insta. It's about 2 or 3 years old, and it's still there. So this, it's got an elastic band, and it's a little bit thin, but 400 bucks, I definitely cannot complain. Acha, so on to the next one. Ab is wale ne thoda sa dhoka de diya hai. This is looking beautiful, and of course I have got exactly that. Take a good look at the picture first. So this is what I had loved, and it's really, it is great, no doubt. Lekin iski quality is not the best. Now I'll just show this to you. So this is definitely what they showed. This is great, लेकिन आप इसकी भी quality देखो ना. This is like really cheap. आप थोड़ा सा stretch करते हो इसको, so it turns grey. Can you see that? I hope the camera is catching it. Because अभी it's looking black, लेकिन जैसे ये stretch होगा, See that. This is what is happening once you wear it. This. So this guy is a little bit of cheap quality. Isko aap, the black of this is not like the black of some other guys. This one is a little bit cheap. This pair of tights is so cool, and like, believe me, it's like $260. So when I saw this, I fell in love, and surprisingly, iski quality, seriously, it's really nice. Itna patla hai, it's nothing but बिल्कुल it's 260, rightfully so, because इतना सस्ता है. Look at the bloody waist. It's just like, you know, a pajama. लेकिन it looks so nice. I'll wear this and show you. अच्छा, मैंने अभी देखा है, there seems to be some sort of a tear, or is this, it does seem to be a tear, because is it a run? There's a run in the fabric. अब ये पता नहीं, is it a part of it? ये सिलाई है, सिलाई तो नहीं लग रही. It seems to be a tear in the fabric here, because this fabric is really thin. If you've got long nails and everything, you need to be very careful not to rip it. First of all, there are lots of questions कि ये quality wise, I will address the quality. I have got at least 10 pairs of leggings. There are actually 10 pairs of leggings. इसमें से भी I will be giving you tips, but that's a separate video. Right now I'm going to address this particular haul and everything pertaining to this. तो अब इसके बारे में मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगी, the quality is not the greatest, लेकिन the quality of some of them is really good for the money you're paying. आप ये हमें नहीं भूलना है कि हमने सिर्फ 500 रुपीज़ में ये लेगिंग्स लिए हैं. यही लेगिंग्स थोड़ी बेटर क्वालिटी बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स बेचते हैं. Now having said that, मैं आपको बताऊँगी मैंने जो भी लेगिंग्स मंगाए हैं, कुछ की क्वालिटी इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग, इट्स सो गुड, और कुछ की क्वालिटी इतनी गंदी, घटिया और चीप है. तो ये जो है साइड, इट इज़ अ बैलेंस बिटवीन द टू. इसमें घटिया भी है और इसमें अच्छे भी है. इट इज़ अ मिक्स. सो अभी आपको ये देखना है कि व्हेन यू आर ऑर्डरिंग फ्रॉम द साइड, यू लुक एट द pictures very carefully, because from what I have seen, you will get a very good idea of the quality of the material you are ordering from the pictures. ये आप साइड zoom नहीं कर पाओगे. This you cannot zoom it like you can on Amazon and some other sites. So you need to be really careful, because the quality of the product will show. If it looks plasticky, it is going to be cheap. वैसे भी none of these products are very high end, because क्या है, they are just a very cheap site. Like 20-30-40 रुपए में stuff मिलता है. I messed up 2 orders. I contacted support. They were so helpful, trust me. उन्होंने मेरी लेगिंग बदली कर दी, जो मैंने बताई थी exactly I got that legging. हाँ, जो जूता था वो मुझे नहीं मिल पाया, because they cancelled that order for some reason. But other than that, they were very supportive. I don't know why people are saying, because the support was really good. Oh, it was like, oh yeah dear, don't worry, I'll exchange it for you. Do you want to change the pants dear? बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से, it was like very nicely done, and my order has come perfectly on time. उन्होंने डेट दी थी मुझे 15 सितंबर, एंड इसके बीच में मैंने एक पैंट बदली करवाई है, मैंने एक शूज़ के लिए डांस करवाया उनको, एंड बट माई ऑर्डर केम ऑन टाइम. 15 सितंबर बोला था उन्होंने, और 15 सितंबर को ही मेरा ऑर्डर आ गया था. तो आई थिंक दैट्स ऑसम. तो दैट वॉज इट, मोस्ट ऑफ द इन्फॉर्मेशन. ये साइट है अच्छी, आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से खरीदना है. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर व्हेन यू आर बाइंग, चेक द क्वालिटी दिखती है. दे हैव गॉट पिक्चर्स, जो पिक्चर्स में दिखाया है exactly वही चीज़ मुझे मिली है. सो आई एम नॉट एट ऑल afraid on that front, but be careful when you're shopping, and I'll be putting up another video with some more tips on how to shop on this particular website. So I hope you enjoyed this and it was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video.